Do you like money? I know I do. Hit subscribe and comment saying I subscribed. Once I hit 2,000 subscribers, I will then choose a couple people in the comments where they can win $25 worth of Amazon gift cards for them to choose and do whatever they want with it. Today I'm stuck because I have no car. Last night we went to go to the movies, to come back to my car with it not starting at all, and so I had to call my dad, my mom, my neighbor. No one was answering. My parents were home, but they weren't picking up the phone, and so I just decided to go eat for a bit. Finally, someone called me back. My dad came over, and it was just done. So now we had it towed yesterday night to the mechanic, and the mechanic checked on the mechanic this morning. He said that it is a fuel pump issue, which is weird because we literally just changed a fuel pump 6 months ago, and gonna go check on it today, see what happened, and hopefully I can take it home today because I need to get places tomorrow. So we just got to the shop. I'm currently going to grab my car. It's time to take this home. Alright, let's start it up. We are back. So just to let you know what they all did, basically they fixed the gas thermometer from going up and down, removed the check engine light, which is good, and fixed the fuel pump so that way it would finally start up. So now we are in pretty good position. I got my car back. That's always good. Thank you for watching this video. Like it, smash the like button, and we will see you in the next one. Peace.